says that we got the entire thing. Mix it thoroughly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Saieeyonara, and this is not a vlog. I am leaving to go somewhere in I think an hour, and look what I have decided to do. This came in the parcel right now and I thought, why not color my hair and go out? So that is what we are going to do in today's vlog. This is the glossy hair tint by Paradyes in the shade light brown. It says that it has no bleach, no PPD, no ammonia. So I'm very excited. I always wanted to color my hair. Like, I'm not going to color it from the top, and there are no good videos on YouTube showing this color. So I thought, why not make a video, because girlies want to color their hair and girly will help you. Okay, so this has the glossy cream developer, the glossy color cream. I don't know what all this is, but yeah, let's read. What else does it have? The anti-fade brown conditioner, the classic conditioner. This is for after coloring my hair, and I think that is after coloring my hair. These are gloves. Yup, that is it. And instructions. Let me read the instructions and come back to you. First, comb my hair so that my hair is a disaster after I've cut my hair. I don't know why I cut it now. And please don't tell me you're not supposed to comb your hair like that. That is how my hair works, guys. It never works, honestly, but if I want it to work, that is how it works. First instruction says that we got to part our hair in 4 partitions for easy application. So I'm going to do 2 partitions. First, I'm going to put this hair up. There's no one at home to even help me. I don't know why I'm doing this when I have 0 time. I have divided my hair into 4. This looks funny. Before reading the other instructions, I've already divided my hair. Amazing sight. So I might look funny, guys. I am funny. Yeah. Empty the colorant and developer in a bowl and then mix them using the brush and create an even mixture. Avoid using a metallic bowl. Apply the mixture immediately after emptying the tubes and mix properly. Blah blah blah. 30 to 45 minutes. Okay. Woo! Cool. It's fun.
Empty the entire thing. I don't really think my hair requires the entire thing of shit. But okay, whatever. You won't see the quantity, wait, I'll show you. All this also requires time. I push. Okay, dokie. Now there's no going back, guys. I'm doing this. Woo! So apply with 2 hands, right? Balloon. Am I nervous? Why am I doing this? I'm sweating. Okay, mix. Mix it thoroughly.
So I'm not going to talk now. I'm going to put on my fan because it's very hot. I'm going to put some music and y'all are going to watch me concentrate and put this color in my hair. All the best.
I have quite thick hair. I don't know how much this is going to work. I'm not going to color my roots. That is all I know. Hair fall. Wow.
We did it! But yep, I'm done applying it on the entire lens except for 1 or 2 inches. On my hair, from the roots, I did not want to color my roots, so that is how I did it. Now we have to wait for 40 minutes or more because my hair, one single strand of my hair is much thicker than most of the people's hair, so we're gonna wait for 40 minutes now. Let's go. This is what I'm supposed to look like after I color my hair for 40 minutes. Go to a good salon and get your hair colored. Pro tip. It's been around 30 minutes now and I see a little brown tint on my hair, which I already had, so I don't know if this is gonna work on my hair. Let's see. And I'm gonna wear a black t-shirt, so even if it's visible, it will be visible. It will be prominently visible. This is, yeah, it's kind of brown, guys. I think 5 more minutes and then wash them off because I don't want a very deep goldenish brown color which everyone's getting. So yes, I want a brown, like a brown. Do you get it? I have no time to get ready right now. My train is at 1:56 and it's already 1:40 and yes, we don't have time to get ready. I'm not going to do any makeup. I'm just going to wear whatever I'm going to wear and doing my hair. I'm wearing my H&M, the new H&M t-shirt and these parachute denims. Socks, my avocado socks. A friend of mine is moving to Delhi tomorrow and I'm going to meet him. Okay, I am very late right now, but that's okay. We can do this. I'm not really talking about my hair color because I cannot see any honestly on myself. So let's just talk about it whenever I see the color. With this, I think I'll wear my Adidas. I'll wear my Adidas sneakers. Yes, that is how you look. Wasn't that clean? So that's my hair. I'm gonna let them air dry. Do you see color? Because I do not. But let's wait for it to dry and then show you what it looks like in sunlight, without sunlight, and after it dries. So bye guys. It's coming here in 3 minutes and I'm still in my building like last time. I see no color, guys. Oh, I see color. But yeah, let's see when it air dries completely. Bye bye. I'm gonna run now. Let's turn on the lights for some aesthetics. Hello everyone, it's the next day and that is how my hair color looks, guys. I like it. I honestly like it very much. It's a subtle brown and looks really good on my face. So it wasn't very much visible before it got completely dry, and it turns out that it makes your hair a little dry, not much, but then you can apply some serum and it's healthy as ever. So it does not damage your hair like bleach does. So the no bleach, no ammonia does work, and it's very much visibly brown, as you can tell. It's it's this without sunlight, and in sunlight it gets a little golden brown. And that is it for this vlog, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye.